Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term Sociology of Literature. Introduction. The sociology of literature is a critical approach that seeks to unravel the intricate relationship between literary works and the social, cultural, and political milieu in which they are created and received. Unlike other literary criticism approaches such as Russian formalism or New Criticism, the sociology of literature emphasizes understanding literature within its historical and social context. It goes beyond individual authors and their artistic expression to explore how broader societal forces shape literary production and reception. Factors influencing literary production. A central aspect of the sociology of literature is examining the factors that influence literary production. These factors include the class status, gender, and political beliefs of the author, which play a significant role in shaping their perspectives and themes in their works. Additionally, the prevailing ways of thinking and feeling during a specific era influence the creation of literary content. Economic conditions also impact the profession of writers as well as the publication and distribution of their books. Understanding these factors is essential in unraveling the complexities of literary creation. Interaction between literary works and audience. The sociology of literature also delves into the interaction between literary works and their audience. Literary reception is not a detached process. It is influenced by the social class, conceptions, and values of the readers or listeners. Interpretation and assessment of a literary work by the audience are shaped by the specific historical and cultural circumstances of that particular time and place. The sociology of literature acknowledges that literary works are not isolated artifacts, but are entwined with the larger societal fabric. Historical roots and evolution. A historical perspective reveals the origins of sociological criticism in Hippolyte Taine's seminal work, History of English Literature. Taine analyzed literary works by referring to three factors: the author's race, geographical and social milieu, and historical moment. His pioneering approach paved the way for further exploration of the sociology of literature. Prominent sociological emphases. Prominent sociological emphases in recent critical writings include feminist criticism, which focuses on addressing male interests and assumptions as determinants of literary content and interpretations. On the other hand, Marxist criticism delves into the economic basis of social organization and class ideologies in literature. Although not all critics adhere to Marxist doctrine, the influence of Marxist perspectives is evident in works that stress the sociological context and content of literary works. The New Historicism. An especially comprehensive sociological approach is the New Historicism, which contextualizes literary works within their historical, cultural, and social settings. Scholars adopting the New Historicism delve deeply into the cultural products that are entirely embedded in the contextual circumstances of a specific time and place. By considering the broader context, New Historicism provides a rich understanding of the significance of literary works in the context of their historical epoch. Significance of the sociology of literature. The significance of the sociology of literature lies in its ability to illuminate the interplay between literature and society. By acknowledging the influence of various societal factors on literary production and reception, scholars gain deeper insights into the complexities and meanings embedded in literature. This critical approach fosters a holistic understanding of literature as an intricate reflection of the social and cultural environment in which it is conceived and consumed. Conclusion. In conclusion, the sociology of literature is an invaluable tool for literary scholars seeking to unravel the complexities of literary works. By examining the social context in which literature is created and received, this critical approach sheds light on the diverse forces that shape literary production and interpretation. It invites us to explore literature not as isolated artifacts but as products intricately interwoven with the broader tapestry of society. The sociology of literature enriches our understanding of literary works, making them even more compelling and relevant in our quest to comprehend the human experience. So this was the discussion on the term sociology of literature. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.